Are these 3 bearings, 6 bolts and pieces of PLA a working steam engine? Hang around and you will find out. Alright, here we are, and I have the engine hooked up to my compressor. So we can clearly see that the engine is not working. It's a disappointment, of course. Alright, what I've done is I super glued a roll of filament to the engine. Not a very glamorous way of doing an experiment, but hey. This crap is totally not working. Let's get back to it. Actually, I did get the first version to work off camera later. I actually changed the rotating valve, so that the air pressure going into the rotating valve not only made its way to the upside of the piston, but also worked its way to the crankshaft on the downside of the piston, so it would work both sides. And that version off camera, I got to work on 8 bars of pressure, barely 6 bars of pressure, it stopped. So I gave up and I didn't think that, yeah, well, I will not make a video about this engine. But I then later changed my mind and started to work with another valve technique altogether. And that clearly worked out. Actually, this version is working on so low pressure, so I can even blow with my mouth and it will work. Whew. If you want to see more of projects like this, I suggest that you subscribe and also like this video. Thank you. If you thought that this engine was awesome and thought that the video was fun to see, subscribe, like the video, and see you next time. Bye.